Okay, hi guys. I'm just gonna be getting ready, so I'm gonna show you guys my routine that I've been having at the moment. I'm drinking my Celsius because I really need to wake up. So I'm gonna be running a couple of errands, so you guys will come with me. Let's get started on my skincare. Also, I seriously can't see and my face is so irritated that I really can't. But today I'm going to be picking up a new product for my face, so hopefully that will help me. But I'm going to be using the Dr. Brandt Liquid Sun Shield. This stuff is so good. You need to protect your skin. So I'm just going to be... I was going to wear eye contacts today, but honestly, I'm going to need a little more. Honestly, my eyes are so irritated that I'm going to just stick with glasses. Yeah, my vision is like really bad. I have like -4. Okay, next I'm going to be using the Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. But yeah, this is super good. And then the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. I really need to hurry up because I have so much to do today. It's not even funny. And I'm really thinking about the HomeGoods line that there probably is going to be. Obviously during this time of year, the line at HomeGoods, it's like ridiculous. So if it's really bad, like I don't think I'm gonna make the line, but hopefully there's not that many people, even though it's like 12 p.m. and I'm just getting ready. But hopefully there's no one there. Also, I thought that I was gonna get my nails done today, but I wasn't. My appointment's tomorrow. Like, I was literally gonna show up today, but I don't know if you guys can see, but that growth, it's been like 3 weeks, and I'm pretty sure this is dip and gel with tip. But yeah, most of the time no nail polish ever lasts on me, but this is the first time that it's actually lasted with all of them stuck to my nails, because what used to happen is like they would just like fall off. But I'm really excited that this method works for me. But I think I'm just gonna get them a little bit shorter. Okay, I'm just gonna be using a little bit of makeup. As you can see, I have a really bad pimple above my lip, and putting makeup is not gonna help, but I need to cover that up a little bit because it looks a little bad. But I'm just gonna put some, what is this? This is the, I use this all the time. This is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer in the shade Cream Whip. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put some under my eyes and then a little bit on my forehead. Cover this up a little, my chin. But yeah, I have a whole list of things that I need to do today, so I'll give you guys a little rundown when I'm in the car because I have it on my notes. Glow Techniques sponge, but yeah, you guys, I've already said this in the other clips, but I seriously can't. Like, I've been obsessed with Pretty Little Liars that it's kind of like bad. Every single time I go to sleep, like, I don't want to take off my glasses and go to sleep because I want to watch it, but it's just like really, really good so far. I'm like in the 2nd season. But oh my god, I completely forgot. I was gonna put on these drops. You see, I literally can't see and then I forget what I'm doing. Anyways, I was gonna use this because this stuff is amazing, but whatever. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Pixie On The Glow blush to bring some color to my face because we're looking a little pale, just a little bit. This actually blends like super good, so it's a buildable product. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab the side of the sponge and then blend it in. I think I'm only gonna put like a little bit. I don't want to go like too heavy, but I think that's good. Now I'm gonna grab the Physicians Formula All-Star palette, and I'm gonna get like my little sponge. There is a pressed powder here that I'm just gonna grab and just like put under my eyes. I want to see how this looks. I don't even know. Now I'm gonna grab the Rose All Day Petal Glow and then the e.l.f. highlighter brush. And I'm also gonna mix it with the Happy Booster Glow blush. Just like put some on. I know it literally looks like I have nothing, but in person makes a little bit of a difference. So last step before I curl my eyelashes and then put my lip product, I've been using the e.l.f. brow lift. Oh my god, this stuff is so good, but I need to get a new spoolie because this one looks like super tragic. I'm using the Revlon lash curl, and then I'm gonna end it off with the Cadoli beauty elixir. You guys, look how much stuff, like look how much I've used it up. I need to go get some more that's on the list, but I just love it. Really makes your skin look so good when you have makeup on. This is the Smith's Rose Balm. Then on top, I'm going to be using the Dior lip oil. This is in Rosewood. For extra shield, I'm going to be using the Sun Bum face mist in 45. So I'm just going to make sure I close my eyes and spray this. So I'll see you guys in the car. Okay, we're at a red light. So that means I have time to tell you guys. Okay, we're gonna be going to HomeGoods, Sephora, maybe. I have to pick up a Target order, and then I have to pick up a Ulta order. So first I have to go to Ulta, then I have to go to Target. There's a green light, but then no one's moving. Okay, so I totally forgot that I need to go to Ulta and Target, so I'm literally gonna go do that. It is like 30 minutes away, but it's okay because I already placed a pickup order, so I'm just gonna pick it up. I'm not even gonna roam around. I'm gonna pick it up and then leave. So yeah. Okay guys, I just picked up my order from Ulta. It took me forever to get here, and I did get a little something else. I know I shouldn't have, but I really needed it, so I'm gonna show you guys a haul later. But I'm gonna do the I'm out of breath, and it is literally 4. I haven't even eaten anything, but I'm gonna pick up the Target order that I have, and then I can go home. I also want to finish editing a video for today, so yeah, let's go to Target, but we're just gonna be in our car. Okay, hi guys, I just got back to my house, so I'm gonna be showing you what I got from TJ Maxx. I got a bunch of sand and fog candles. You guys need to try getting the sand and fog ones, or the sand and paw ones, but I got apple cider. Smells so good. I was already burning it. And then I got the sand and paws, which is the same brand, but I got shimmering spices, and this smells so good. And these candles last a really long time, and they're only $15 when they're usually like $30. Then I got rosewood. It smells like roses, super yummy. I got weathered spice. This literally smells like mahogany teak wood. It smells really good. Like, I'm telling you guys, I've been getting these candles for a really long time, and they're so good. And then I got cinnamon Noel. Oh, it smells so good. This one was $8. Then I got these super cute little towels. I want to go for like a blue theme, so I got this for the holidays, and then this we can always keep. I got this super cute snow globe. I've never had a snow globe, or maybe we had one once, but yeah, it's so cute. It's a ballerina. I don't know if you can tell, but it's the cutest thing ever. Then I got a set of 4 of these cups. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I literally love them. And then I just got some coasters. Obviously this comes with 4, so, and I just got it for the table that I have that has, like, you know, 4 spots. So I got these coasters. They're just like this crystal, like a white crystal, but it has some texture, so it's nice. Then I got this cupcake maker, which is perfect to make obviously cupcakes, and then egg bites like the ones from Starbucks. I saw someone do that for like meal prepping and I love that idea. And I got this little like cupcake, you know, the little wrap, and then to put in the middle, I'm gonna be having like a Christmas get-together, so I definitely want to use this. It's everything that I got from HomeGoods / TJ Maxx. And I'll go in what I got from Ulta. I got the La Roche-Posay knee kit. I used to use this before I went on Accutane, but I feel like my skin has not been doing the best, so I definitely want to like try this again. Maybe I'll clear it up, but yeah, I'm really excited to try this again. And then when I was there, I did have to get just 2 more things. So I got the L'Oreal Infallible. I love the foundation, but this is a powder foundation and I got it in beige sand, so I really hope that this matches. So I'm really excited to try this since I've never tried it. And I was in need of a mousse, and Kenra is a really good brand. I'm going to be trying the Volume Mousse Extra. It's a firm hold mousse. Really excited. And did spoil myself at Sephora. I literally spent $400. Not too proud of that, but there was a 20% off. I had to repurchase the Gadoli Beauty Elixir. I love this stuff. I got the Benetint. This is in the original. Yeah, the original. So I got the Benetint. I actually had never tried this before and I'm so excited to try this. And I got the Kosas Cloud Set baking and smoothing powder. I'm really not sure if this is my shade, but we're just gonna try it out. So I'm really excited about this. I've heard really great things about that. And then I got 2 perfumes. I had to repurchase the Replica Lazy Sunday Morning. This is my 3rd time repurchasing this. I just love it so much. Also, I love using perfume. And then I got the Jo Malone Scarlet Poppy. So this is in the Cologne Intense, and I sprayed it at the store and I could still smell it on my hand, and it's been a couple of hours since I've been home. But yeah, I'm so excited to have these in my collection. I honestly have been using up all my perfumes, so I need to do like a restock. Right now I'm just gonna be studying and getting some work done because I still have a couple of assignments and finals to take. So definitely I'm gonna try my best to upload a video every day, but that probably won't happen until like December 10th or something like that, when classes are finished. But yeah, that's basically it for the haul. I really hope that you guys enjoy this vlogmas, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon.